Good morning, ma'am. I am John Mike Sionez, and this is my visual aid presentation.
Title: The Importance of Nonverbal Communication. Subtitle: Understanding the Power of Body Language, Gestures, and Facial Expression. John Mike Sion. Introduction. Communication is more than just words. Nonverbal cues play a vital role in delivering messages effectively. In this presentation, we will explore different types of nonverbal communication and their significance. What is nonverbal communication? Nonverbal communication includes gestures, facial expression, body language, and tone of voice. It complements or even replaces verbal communication in certain situations. Studies suggest that over 70% of communication is nonverbal. Types of nonverbal communication. Number 1, facial expression. Universal indicators of emotion, happiness, sadness, anger, etc. Number 2, gesture. Hand movements and signal. And thumbs up, waving, pointing. Number 3, body language. Posture, stance, and movement that convey attitude. 4. Eye contact establishes trust and engagement. Number 5. Proxemics, personal space, distance between individual affect communication. Number 6. Paralanguage, tone, pitch, and volume of voice affect meaning. This is the types of nonverbal communication. Why is nonverbal communication important? Enhances understanding and clarity, help convey emotion effectively, build trust and rapport in relationship, support verbal message and reduce misinterpretation, crucial professional and personal interaction. Example of nonverbal communication in daily life. In job interview, maintaining eye contact show confidence. In public speaking, hand gesture and emphasizing key point. In relationship, body language expresses affection or discomfort. In cross-cultural communication, understanding different gesture to avoid misunderstandings. Example of nonverbal communication. Nonverbal communication is a transmission of message or signal through a nonverbal platform such as eye contact, facial expression, gesture, posture, and distance between two individuals. This is the example: happy, fear, sad, anger. This is the nonverbal communication. This is an example of body languages: crossed arm, smiling, head tilt, and hand in pocket. How to improve your nonverbal communication. Be aware of your body language. Maintain good eye contact. Use gesture approximately. Match your facial expression with your words. Observe other nonverbal cues to improve your interpretation. This is how to improve your nonverbal communication. Conclusion. Nonverbal communication is a powerful tool in conveying messages. Understanding and improving these skills enhances personal and professional relationships. Pay attention to nonverbal signals to become a better communicator.